The Kentucky State Capitol. It's the center of our state government. For those interested in a fulfilling career with the ability to learn and collaborate with talented coworkers, a chance to serve our Commonwealth through nonpartisan public service, and opportunities for advancement and growth, the Legislative Research Commission just may be the place you're looking for. The LRC employs an array of policy experts, bill drafters, constituent service workers, network administrators, inventory and maintenance staff, couriers, committee staff, proofreaders, human resource officers, legislative assistants, switchboard operators, computer programmers, writers, graphic artists, print shop workers, librarians, and many others who fill the roles necessary to support the operations of the legislative branch of government.
It's kind of a future tense work in a lot of ways. We're working on stuff that may come up down the line. It's really interesting to think about the shape of the Commonwealth in next year or in 5 years. And I think LRC, as a research arm, that's what we're doing in a lot of ways. We're projecting something that is not occurring now but may occur down the line.
Although there are many different jobs in the LRC, each is ultimately aimed at making sure the legislative process operates smoothly, that it welcomes citizen engagement, and that lawmakers have the resources to give their constituents a strong voice at the Capitol. The Kentucky LRC is often recognized as one of the finest legislative agencies in the country, with nearly 400 employees coming together for one goal: to ensure legislators have the tools, information, and resources to craft the best solutions for the people of the Commonwealth.
LRC is very unique. I feel like that we're a one big family here. Everyone supports one another, whether it be personal life, work life, and that's a really good feeling to know that you come to your workplace feeling like almost like home.
I love it when people come to visit me at work and I get to show off our Capitol. I mean, where else can you work in a piece of history while helping to make history at the same time?
The thing I like about my job is there's always something different to do. So it's not, during the session, of course, we're busier, but there's always something to do, and you never get bored. I never get bored because there's always something new to be working on.
Here there's a new challenge every day because you have 138 bosses and they all like to do things different ways. So you never really know exactly the request that's going to come through. It can make it for a challenging but rewarding experience.
If you'd like to learn more about career opportunities at the LRC, visit the Kentucky Legislature's website at legislature.ky.gov.